Cartoons.
Princess, be required. TTWRT channel.
And more, you might have got the big and most of
This is Mixopolis Chernobyl. Hey, today we are gonna be reacting to Disney Princess Palace Pets Beauty and Bliss Playset. So, without further ado, let's do it!
Hi guys, Lindley here, and welcome to my new channel, Lindley's Toy Box, where each week I will be unboxing a new toy.
My boxing looks good! I'm Pumpkin! And I'm Sultan. So glad to meet you when I came.
Is Ariel's cat named Treasure. And you can see that everything in the package is displayed really nicely. You can see everything it comes with. And in case you're not sure what anything is, it's actually listed on the back, which I'll show in just a minute. And then also you can see in the upper corner, it shows that she has a color change makeup with eye mask feature. And it also explains that a little bit more in the back. And then in the other corner, you can see if you have an iPhone or I'm sure even a...
Much like Disney princesses still like, but I gotta like this one either. Huh?
There's a free
That sounds terrific to me.
that goes along with it. And then also you can see that the age is for 4 and older. Now, on the back, you can see it has a little kind of description about what the Disney Princess Palace pets are. And then below, who Treasure the cat is, basically. It's kind of a neat little feature, good to read to kids, and then it also shows you
that's a good reader what I'm saying, huh? That's exactly what this is all about.
Also collect the
Pretty much it's amazing about this.
Pumpkin, which is Cinderella's dog. Beauty.
It's me, Pumpkin!
Aurora.
I can't even wait to tell you much about this.
And then Blondie, Tangled.
I bet Treasure and Dreamy will come around for the review next time, but we can do wait for the next video where we see this. So we're gonna see that
in a minute. And I'm not sure if you can see, but there's quite a few tabs here with tape. So if you give me just a minute, I'm gonna take those off and we'll get back to it. Alright. This is everything basically out of the package. But it's actually kind of nice because there's no other plastic pieces you have to pull apart or anything. It looks like they all just pretty much pop up, which we're going to take everything out. And then this, I don't know if you can see that. That's the storybook it comes with. And it's called Peppy Treasure. And it looks like, you know what? Let's see. Okay, yeah, it looks like it basically kind of goes through all of the Palace Pets kind of story and who they are. You can see there's Berry the Bunny. Oh, that's for Snow White. So that's another one.
Oh, Berry! That's gotta be Snow White's pet bunny. How very cute!
Pieces you can collect. So
you can still watch it whenever you want to say that.
Dog. So that's kind of cute. Okay. So this is Treasure. She has kind of a nice fluffy tail. It's solid underneath, so it doesn't really move much, so it stays in the shape. But cute. Does she stand? Yeah, okay. She stands. It also comes with a hairbrush. It's like a little
very cute for the
seashell.
Bliss pet to watch.
And you could fluff out her tail if you'd like. She gets this little pink piece, which is actually supposed to be a robe. It has Velcro. And let's see. I think you can just wrap that around her. Oh. Well, okay. That's a bit snug. Oh, there we go. Alright. Oh, that's cute. So now she gets this cute little robe.
So you got a lot of junk to do that.
She has a bowl. You can see, that's her pet bowl.
Wow! Much like a cute little kitten
She comes with a
in this
picture frame.
Bliss pet for an entire week.
And you can see it's her and Ariel. Slippers. Let's see how those fit. Oh, yep, they just slide right onto her little paws there. Her butt's a little bit off the ground, but it works. Alright, and then the bigger item, this is her, let me see, her little canopy shell bed. And let's see if she'll sit in there. Yep, and that's what you put her in, her little bed.
Oh, that's a perfect fit for your set.
Okay,
So pretty
lastly
much
we have
like
her
me.
color change eye mask, which you can see, this is what it looks like. There's a little piece of, the inside of this is like foam, or a piece of sponge, and there's no actual directions that come with this. It literally just says on the back of the package, use cold water to activate. So I have
Not
a
exactly
cold
like
water. I'm gonna
this
put it
one
in,
about this.
and then we're gonna put it on
I
her
bet I
and
gotta like
see
that one on
what
this.
it does.
So much to take
That's
over
what
about
she
this.
looks like with the eye mask. Oh. So you can see now in her full robe, her slippers, her eye mask, she is good to go. Well, unfortunately, I'm not seeing much of a color change on her eyes. I did use cold water, and I actually just tried to put some more on myself for her without the eye mask, but it didn't really.
So one bit about this and
I don't know
about
if you
that.
can see. There's like, you can see like a slight bit of color right there.
So
Sorry if the
slight,
lighting's
so
off, but that's
color.
basically what it did. So that's kind of a bummer. But this hat is still actually really cute. And I'm sure the kids would have a lot of fun with it regardless.
Well, see you next time.
Well, that's all, folks. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Get lost. Well, watching Rocket. See you soon. Bye.